Hwaĩ-inĩ wa muthenya wa Jumamothi, President William Ruto anyitanĩire na atongoria kuma rũgongo rwa bũrũri igongona-inĩ rĩa gũcangithia mbeca cia kũnyitĩrĩra gĩthomo rungu rwa ndini ya Gĩithĩramu kaunti-inĩ ya Mandera.
And when I came, I had a piece of paper because I have several issues to discuss as head of Mandera government. And then you tell me, Governor, wacha hiyo listi mrefu, sema vitu vitatu. Na nikasema ya kwanza, guest of honor ya madarasa. Ulisema tick. You didn't even ask madarasa gani. When I came back and told our uluma, they didn't believe.
Hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ, President augĩte nĩoĩ andũ matiganire na mwathanĩro wake, na ũcio ti ũndũ ũramũmakia kana ũngĩtũma arekie kĩoneki kĩrĩa enakĩo gĩa kwagĩria bũrũri.
And I am very confident about the future of this nation. And that is why I push the limits. You know, people call me names. I am not bothered about calling me names. Oh, sijui nini, Sakayo, Kalonzo, sijui ingine naitwa nini, Kasongo, sijui nini. I'm not bothered. Shortly, you will see, hata kama uko unataka kukataa namna gani, you will see the transformation happening in our country. And that is what is important to us. Tunaelewana marafiki zangu? So, and I'm very proud that we are going to do this together. We are going to do this together. And that is why unity is very important.
Augĩte thirikari ĩrĩ na mũbango wa gwĩkĩrĩra ũkũria wa gĩtarũ kĩa rũgongo rwa bũrũri, amũkore we Akenya othe marĩ na kĩhoto kĩigananu hatarĩ gũthutũkania kũrĩa moimĩte kana ndini ciao.
And the future of what I see as Kenya is in irrigation, is in building additional infrastructure, is in leveraging more energy, is in transforming more of our infrastructure. And I want to tell you, Northern Kenya is going to play a very central role going forward. So our investment in Northern Kenya is not in vain. It is strategic.
Nĩagathĩrĩirie tabarĩra ĩno ya gũkũria gĩthomo akiuga noyo njĩra ya kũhanda rũciũ rwa bũrũri.
Education is made available to citizens, the better we become as a nation. And it is the reason why we have invested a lot of resources in matters education. We have hired more teachers, we've put more resources, we've built more classrooms, we have straightened CBC, because knowledge is important. And I am very happy that even we are thinking about madrasa and how to make them sustainable.
Thutha wa igongona rĩrĩ, President nĩohete thabarĩ erekeire mũciĩ mũnene wa New York, bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika kĩnyitĩ ikũmi kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa 40 kĩa ũrũmwe wa mabũrũri UN nĩkĩo UNGA. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangũi wa Mwangi.
Okay, bwana Dipu. Haya.